We chose the rotary shockwave because of its ability to adapt to most any type of vehicle and get them up in the air quicker so that we can spend more time on the inspection, which is the most important portion of the survey.
On paper, you look at the specs and you look at pricing and you look at all the material, the point of sale material, but what really sold me at SEMA was the comparison. And my thoughts were, with a group employing well over 900 technicians, if I take that net savings, times that by our current effective labor rate, that equals a lot of profits and increases our fixed absorption for them stores in the group.
It really doesn't matter if it's an express lube or if it's a general line. It really doesn't matter, because productivity is productivity. In my opinion, if you are in the position to be replacing lifts or doing a ground up, you're going to get the best product that I've seen in my 35 years of being in this business.